All right, everyone, buckle up. You've probably heard it a million times. There are hundreds of ways to learn English, right? Well, in 2025, I'm here to tell you that's actually a huge misconception. It's a lie. The truth is, there's only one real effective way to become genuinely fluent in English. And trust me, it's not what your old teachers ever taught you in school. Get ready, because today we're revealing the secret to becoming fluent, the only way that works now. Let me guess what you've been doing. You've been diligently studying all those complex grammar rules, meticulously memorizing endless vocabulary lists, and probably spending hours watching English movies or TV shows, maybe even with subtitles. You're putting in the work, but then the moment comes when you actually need to speak, to have a real conversation, and what happens? Your mind just completely freezes up. The words get stuck. You feel a surge of panic, and you can't get anything out. You're absolutely not alone in this. Millions of English learners around the world, even now in 2025, are making this exact same mistake. They're approaching English like it's just another subject to be studied in a classroom, something to be dissected and analyzed, rather than the living, breathing skill that it truly is. It's a common trap, but it's one we're going to help you escape from today. So here's the game-changing truth that most people miss. Real English fluency doesn't come from just absorbing more information. It comes from deep, active immersion. You don't necessarily need to learn more facts about the language. What you actually need to do is use the language more, in real, meaningful contexts. Think about it. The new generation of truly fluent English speakers, those who communicate effortlessly and naturally, aren't spending all their time buried in textbooks or endlessly reviewing flashcards. No. What they're doing is much more dynamic. They are actively training their brains, day in and day out, to naturally think, process, and respond in English. They are reintegrating English into their daily lives in ways that transform it from a school subject into a natural extension of their thoughts and actions. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here is the one method that is actually working in 2025. Something we call the active immersion system. It's incredibly powerful and surprisingly simple to implement. Step 1 is all about shadowing daily conversations. This isn't just passive listening. We're talking about actively repeating after native speakers. Find videos on YouTube, listen to podcasts, or even use those amazing AI tools that are available now. Don't just hear their words. Mimic everything. Copy their tone, their speed, the emotion they put into their sentences. Try to sound exactly like them. This trains your mouth and brain to produce natural English sounds and rhythms. Step 2 is to use English for real life. Stop treating English like something separate from your daily routine. Start incorporating it. Write your grocery list in English. Send text messages to friends or even to yourself in English. Chat with AI tools like ChatGPT in English about your day or anything you're curious about. The more you use English in practical, real-world scenarios, the more it becomes automatic, building that effortless fluency you crave. Step 3 is crucial. Think in English. This might sound challenging at first, but it's a massive leap forward. Stop translating everything in your head from your native language into English. Instead, try to label your thoughts directly in English. For example, if you're thinking, "Ami kaiti jabo" in your head, consciously switch that thought to, "I'm going to eat." When you see an object, think its English name. This rewires your brain to process information directly in English. And finally, step 4. Consistency beats perfection. This is so important. You absolutely do not need to be perfect when you start, or even when you're making progress. What you need is consistency. Even dedicating just 15 minutes a day, every single day, to these active immersion practices can create an astonishing transformation in your English fluency. Small, regular actions build monumental progress. The amazing thing about 2025 is that technology has made achieving fluency easier and more accessible than ever before. We have incredible AI tutors at our fingertips, English voice chat applications, dynamic subtitles on videos, and pronunciation apps that give you instant feedback. Use them all. These tools are your allies on this journey. Remember, fluency isn't some stroke of luck or a talent you're born with. It's the direct result of consistent daily action. If you commit to speaking and engaging with English every single day for just 6 months, you will be absolutely astounded by how natural and effortless it starts to feel. You'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. And when you inevitably hit those moments where you feel stuck or a little discouraged, remember this powerful truth. Every single fluent English speaker you admire was once exactly where you are now. Every one of them was once afraid to speak, made mistakes, and felt unsure. Embrace the process. Remember the quotes. Mistakes mean progress, and fluency comes from failure. Don't ever wait around for confidence to magically appear before you start speaking. Take the plunge, speak first, even if it's imperfect. Trust me, the confidence will naturally follow as you keep practicing and using the language. So, if you are genuinely serious, truly committed to becoming fluent in English in 2025, then there's only one thing left to do. Start today. Don't put it off another moment. Make a commitment right now. We encourage you to watch Talkoria's daily English lessons right here. Practice speaking out loud with passion and purpose. And never, ever stop learning. Your amazing English future begins right now with Talkoria. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on your next step to fluency.